Hello, geometers. Today we'll be covering 11.1 areas of triangles and parallelograms. The area of a parallelogram is base times height.
The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. For this problem, since all of the sides are congruent, you do base times height, which is 6 times 6. So the area of the parallelogram is 36.
Okay, geometers, listen up. This is important. J, that means you too. So for the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. So you take 1/2 of 5, multiply it by 4, so that's 10. And like the height is 4. Don't mistake it, because K is not the height, not the, that's the hypotenuse. In this example, I would like you to find the area of the parallelogram. Hint: Pythagorean theorem. When you are done, come back and we'll go through it together.
Okay, so for this problem, we're going to need to find the area of this triangle here and this triangle here. Then when we add up the two areas of both of these, we're going to get the area of the whole parallelogram. So first we're going to have to do Pythagorean theorem because we need to find this side, so we can do base times height and base times height. I forgot to put these in, but these two are congruent. So once we find one, we will be able to find the other. So all we're going to do is we're going to do 4 squared plus x squared equals 5 squared to find this side here. This is going to be 16 plus x squared equals 25. And then we're going to subtract 16 from 25, so x squared equals 9. Then we're going to take the square root of both sides, so x equals 3. So this side equals 3, and this side equals 3. So now all we're going to do is we're going to take 4 times 3 equals 12 to find the area of this triangle here. But we're going to do 1/2 4 times 3 to get us the area of this triangle here. And then we're going to do the same thing, 1/2 4 times 3 to get us the area of this triangle here. So once we add that up, we get 1/2 4 times 3 equals 6, and 1/2 4 times 3, which also equals 6. So when we add those two together, the area of the whole entire parallelogram equals 12. I hope that problem went well for you.
Just a quick break. What do you call a cow with 3 legs? I will tell you at the end of the video.
Okay, so one more example. This is the last one, so everyone pay attention. Okay, so first we're going to have to do the base times height to get the area of this square right here. So all we're going to do is 4 times 3. So that's 4 times 3 is the area of the square here. Now we're going to just have to find the area of the top because that's part of the figure. So remember that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. This 7 is pointing to the whole entire line across the top. So this is 1/2 7 times 5. 4 times 3 equals 12. 1/2 7 times 5 is, let's see, 1/2 of 35. So then, I don't know that by hand, but you're going to have to do it on your calculator. So all you're going to do is add those two together, and the sum of these two right here is the answer to the problem. I hope that went well for you.
Okay, back to the little riddle problem I had for you. What do you call a cow with 3 legs? Lean beef.
Money's the motivation, money's the conversation.